Okay, so and every Sunday I always do a review of of every week trade, and I I think I'm now doing a report so that it will be very, very easy for me. Yes, this is it. I think the last, and these coins that I'm listing here are coins that I give to people privately. I give privately, and you will see that this should show you that coin does not deliver. That's why anytime I want to register new people as they are joining, I want to first remove the mindset of daily income from their mind. They can get it, but I want to first remove it from their mind. I want them to have a mindset of monthly uh, profits from the trading they are engaging in. Because sometimes it can enter a coin, it can take longer to deliver. So these are the list of coins that I sent to people individually, because I've sent some other coins to people. A particular coin I sent to the group knew that it's really taking time to deliver. So I'm going to analyze those coins, that coin. I sent this ETC sent on 11, and it took like 2 days for it to deliver on 11th of November. Then I sent Zen 13th of November, and it closed that same day. I sent NIE to somebody to 10th. I think that 10 should be on a Friday. I think it delivered on Sunday last week. And I sent SLP2 on 14, and it took like 2 days to deliver. And I sent cake to somebody else too, and the cake also delivered second day. But our new, that I know most of us are in that new is taking a long time to deliver, and I'm also in that coin too. So let us analyze that coin. New, because of what happened to Neo now, I don't want it to repeat itself again, because this one that people will stay in one coin for a long time, and there are opportunities for that coin to enter. Since they put so much of their coin, their money in that particular coin, it's now be taking longer for it to deliver. So let me look for that coin. I think that coin was on, when was that? New. It was sent on I think this no. Okay, I'm going to talk about KSM too. I gave KSM to somebody too. I gave KSM to somebody else too. So I'm still looking for new. You can remind me the dates I give that new self. I don't remember to align that new. I think new was given this 11 is sometimes this thing takes time to. Is it new? This is new. I give new on 11th of November, when it was 13 dollar. That was when I gave new. So let us go and check the chart. What has been happening to new all this while, making it to take time to deliver. Because I'm also in that trade. So 11 today is 19. So it's already 8 days. It's already 8 days, and the coin has not delivered. Thank God this Wi-Fi is coming up. The new, I think is here. New. So anytime new takes time to deliver like that, anyway, it's already showing in 1 hour, 4 hours. Anytime a coin takes deliver, anytime a coin takes time to deliver. Okay, I think this is where I can see. We started Let me go to 1 day. Anytime a coin is taking days to deliver. So I won't check the 4 hours again, because from the 4 hours it has been coming down all this while. Are you seeing it? It has been coming down from that 13.08 down, but here it's showing a green candle here. So I would rather now go to 1 day chart, because it has been taking days. That's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. So since 8 days ago, it has gone against my analysis. It has been going down, going down, going down, and you can see that it is down here now. This is where it is now. It's already down here. This is where it is now. This place. So you can see the space from here to here. That means it has gone down by. I'm coming. It has gone down by. It has gone down by. No, not from that place. It has gone down by from 13.0803. It has gone down by minus 14%. So if you go and check your trade now, you see that it is down by minus 14. It is down by minus 14. So it will have bought, especially people that have big capital. It will have bought. Some people that use like $1,000, $500, you will have used a lot of your USD to buy those coins as going down. So the next thing for us is we are expecting it to go up. And at this 1 day chart, I'm already seeing a sign here, around here, at the stock RSI here. You can see that it's below here. So, but I don't like the way the graph is pointing down like this. So the moment it points up, it's going to take days for it to deliver. So you must be ready to be patient. This is the kind of coin that we have entered, like JST, ANT. There's another coin like the SLP and WorldCoin. WorldCoin also took more than 10 days to deliver. Now, if you go and check that WorldCoin now, WorldCoin is now pumping. Let me just show you so that you can know WorldCoin is pumping now. WorldCoin is pumping. That coin, I even told us that if you don't want to stop this trade, I went to go and sell that coin. The moment that I sell that coin, days later, that coin has been pumping since that time. WorldCoin has been pumping. Where is it? WorldCoin has been pumping since that time. My data is taking time to load. Okay. WorldCoin. I think I saw that WorldCoin today. I was seeing 23%. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing WorldCoin now? WorldCoin, since that time that it took time to deliver, it is now doing 24%. So anytime a coin takes time to go down like this, it will come up. So I'm expecting this coin to take another 1 week, because it took almost a week for it to come down, almost 8 days now. So you need to go and take malt and be patient. This coin might take another throughout this week, because I seeing the gap down. So the moment it reaches that place, this coin might start pumping again. Let me check the 1 week to confirm. Okay, I think in 1 day, one day candles, it should come up this week. So let us expect it should come up this week. So at the end of this week, it's coming down again. So by the end of this week, we should expect it to come up. You should expect it to come up. Now, those people that are in KSM, I think I give KSM to somebody privately. And so that time, that coin has been so slow. 26.52. That was when I sent the coin. KSM coming. KSM. Let me search for KSM. Okay, this you can see KSM is already pumping. Are you seeing it? It's doing 4%. Let me show us. That's why we should always be patient with crypto. I seen it. I've not even been checking. KSM is already doing 4% pumping. So let's check. And that coin was entered. When was that? I sent it on Monday, last week, Monday. That's about 7 days, 6 days, 7 days ago. But from the chart here now, it's already coming up. It's already doing 4%. So let me go to 1 day. There is hope. There is hope. Because in this 1 day chart, this RSI is below here, is down here, is down here, coming, is already below the oversold region. That's already given a green candle here. So it's already coming up. It's getting closer to the entry price. So this is a good news for people that are in KSN. And I think I sent a signal yesterday, one YFI like that. And I learned my lesson that YFI. That YFI, I was so confident of that coin because that coin crashed by minus 37%. Where is that coin? And you see this coin. That coin crashed by, I think I drew, it crashed by minus 37%. That's why I was so confident that this coin is going to do. I was even saying that I can do like 47%. So I entered the coin and the coin begin to pump. It gave me like 8%. I think I saw us here. That's why it's not good to be greedy in crypto trading. It gave me 8% here. No, this is another account. It gave me 8% here. No, 7.3% here. $14. Do you know that I was see the coin already? This is the price I entered the coin here in the morning. In the evening, it has already gone to 9,008. Instead of me to take profits, I said I will still leave it. I was so confident that it will deliver, it will deliver. Now the coin, when I now slept yesterday night, the coin has now retraced back to around 9,002. That's why if you are trading and a coin has given enough profit, get out of that trade. Market and they finish for crypto. Get out of that trade. So I've learned my lesson. So I'm now waiting for that coin now to just give me, I think this is the coin. You can see now it has gone to 9.2. So I'm projecting that it might still come back up to might still come back. It's already forming a green candle, very small green candle here. So if it just come up, so I'm expecting it to just come up. If it just come up to 9.5, I will leave this coin because at the 1 day this coin is coming back after like 6 hours. This coin is coming down aggressively, so I don't want to be trapped in this coin. So this is just the review of the trades sent so far, and for us that are new in KSM and YFI, and those people that are also in Acro. Now, the moment your coin has been taking days, you just have to be patient. So the next thing I want to talk about, especially for people that are engaged they have big capital and they don't want to be entering one shot, they want to do circle trade. I don't really encourage circle trade, but I have the knowledge of doing circle trade with RoyalQ, but I don't really like it because what it did to one of my team member in India, I don't really like it. But if you want to engage in circle trade, then if you want to engage in circle trade, you can't use 1 hour, you can't use 4 hours, you can't use 6 hours, you can't use 12 hours to do your analysis. Because circle trade is a trade that can take 3 weeks, a month, or longer than that. And people that want to engage in circle trade, they must be people that are ready to be patient, especially if you have people that are busy executives. I have someone that is told me recently that one of his members wants to come with $3,000 and can they do circle? I said no. For now, even he was even telling me that they are bringing $10,000 to trade in RoyalQ, and they were suggesting that is it good for them to enter circle? I said for now, it's better let them just set like 3 coins, maybe like $2,500 for 3 coins. At every time I send signal, I can send like 3 coins. Let them engage in those 3 coins, and they should leave the balance down for in case I see a floating loss. But if they want to go for circle trade, then they need to go. I think I learned that. I know this strategy, but I don't want to be sharing it. I don't want to be sharing it. But when I attended RQTMI training yesterday, they mentioned it that if you want to engage in circle trade, you need to go and check, do analysis on the 1 day chart, and like this now, like this. I learned something new that yesterday, that if you want to go for circle trade, you must check your chart at the 1 day, because you know that the moment you are entering this trade, you are going to spend days there, and any coin you want to enter, it must have a downward trend. So people that join newly on that training yesterday, they might not get all the things they were saying, but I was getting it. So you need to go and check the coin you want to engage in first. That coin must be on a downward trend. It must be on a downward trend. I'm coming. It must be on a downward trend, because it has short. They use only FIB. That if the coin has gone down on a downward trend like this to like 50% or to 61%, number one, that's the first requirement. Then number two, on the RSI, the graph here must be below this last bar. It must be below this last bar, where it's showing that this coin has been oversold. Then from this point, you can draw your take profits, and you must be ready to wait for days like 1, 2. But this coin, you can't enter it because it has not touched this 50%, or at, let's say, 61%. It must be either here at this 50% FIB line, or here before you enter. So that, and this RSI graph must be below the oversold region, because you know that from here, it's from this level, the coin in the days ahead or weeks ahead, it will be coming up. So it will be giving you profit over the days, over weeks, and it must be able to determine, and you can put on circle trade. So the setting is going to be very, very different if you want to engage in circle trade. That means you want to go for a long time. But for now, or some of us that have small capital like 100, 200, 500, or even above, I won't encourage you to go for circle trade. People that can do circle trade are people that have big capitals, like $2,000, $3,000. Those kind of people, their setting will be very, very different. The parameter, the margin calls will be very, very close to each other. So that despite the fact they are waiting for a long time, almost every other day, the bots will be buying and selling for them, and they are accumulating profit for them daily until they reach their targeted price. Well, they must have a target price when they even want the coins to end. Because the moment the coin, they start below here, let me clear this thing. Maybe they start here, they must have a targeted price when they want the trade to end. So they might even put on the RoyalQ board. There is a place on the RoyalQ board where you can even put sell. Let me show you an example. I did it on my, I think on my YFI. I did a prediction that this coin, that I want you to, let me just open it. So if you want to engage in circuit trade like that, you must even put the targeted price that you know the coin will reach. So let me go to that my trade. That's what I now did to that trade. So people that are in NEO, you can see that I'm also in NEO. So you can see it's already coming up. So I believe that this coin should be able to enter 9,008. So when I enter here, that's what I did. I now put a trigger selling price of 9,890, because when I did my analysis, I expected this coin to just, because this coin reached this price yesterday and it was supposed to give me like $14. And I was expecting that this coin, I was so confident that because it has really crashed, that it will give me more profits. I was even waiting. I wanted to be so greedy, to take like 20%. All of a sudden, I slept, woke up yesterday night. The coin has even gone down when I went to go and change the candles. So if you want to engage in cycle trade, you must also put a selling price, no matter how long it will take. So this is a way of putting your selling price. You have to, okay, I can't use, I've already said this one. So if you want to do that, you go here. Let's say you want to sell NEO, maybe at consider the average price I entered is the average price I entered is 12.87, and this is the current price. That's why the fact that I've already put my take profit ratio. If I want this coin to sell at $13.5, after I've done my analysis, I will just click this sell button here. Then I will now put the targeted price I want to sell it. Are you seeing it? If I've done my analysis that this coin can reach $13.5, so I'll just put it there, and this is the profit it will give me. If I can wait for this coin to reach that price, I will now click confirm. Then I will now wait, and by that time the coin will give me that profit. So if you want to do cycle, you must put a target selling price after you have done an analysis, so that we know when, so that the coin will after, that's why the fact is on cycle, it will end, so that it will not reach the highest price at the top and it will now begin to go down, and that person might be in a very serious floating. So that's one of the points I want to teach us about, what we call how to turn your day trading to institutional trading. Because people that are engaged in trading for a long time, they are not for small profits like 2%, 3%. Because from this analysis I just did for us, people that are engaged in institutional trading, and for us to know, let me just tell us that the longer you wait on a coin, the higher profit it will give you. Let me just show us. Instead of you trying to take 3%, 3.5%, people that want to wait for a long time can decide that I want to take, I seen it, that I want to take like 10%. Even sometimes it can be more than that, especially if the coin is around this 50%, they can take like 20% profit because they're ready to wait for a long time. Let me just look for a chart that is that gives us a very good chart like that. Okay, this one. Check another one. So we'll be checking the 1-day chart. 1-day chart. This one is around okay, this one. But I don't like the way the RSI is pointing down. So this coin will still get down more. So I won't pick this one. So I'll continue to chart, search until I get I can't enter this. This coin is overbought. Can't do that. So I'll continue to search until I get. That's how I chart. I search coin before I send signal to us. I'll continue to chart. The moment I enter, I will know that this coin is not worthy of entering. Okay, this one is not too okay. The RSI chart is down below the oversold region, but the last candle here is not where I want it to be. I want this last candle to either be at this place. From this place, I want it to be there. I want it to be down very well, like this place, because I know that it will come up. There's no way. And when it's coming up, it's going to give profit. So I can't enter that one. So that's how I'll be checking until I get the right. No, I can't enter this. So you must keep on checking until you get the right. Let me change this. Sold by change. Okay. Run away. I can't enter this. It has broken the 0% FIB level. I can't enter that. I can't enter this one. This is highly overbought. The crashing will be too much. Are you not seeing it? It has broken on this. That's why I use FIB a lot. FIB indicator a lot. This is the normal level a coin should reach. The coin has gone higher to over 361%. The coin is still coming down to this place. So at the 1-day level, I can't enter this coin. It's danger. So that's why you must not enter trade blindly. Okay, I think this is a good coin that it has fulfilled, but it's not yet at that 50%. It's not that yet 50%. It's still this level. I want you to touch here, but I can still do it because it's already at the oversold region here. So it should be coming up. So if you want to take a profit from this one, let me even check this one. This is a good one, but you can still search for more. Let me check the on here. Okay, if I can wait for it to get to this level, you can give 14. That's about 1, 2, 3. I see those red candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about 4 candles. So if I enter this coin, I can decide that I want to engage in cycle trading in this coin, and I want this coin to sell. I seen it that maybe in the next 5 days, this is my selling price. 1 point, and this is the current price we are seeing here. The current price is 1.0252. So if it gets here, I can, so if I want to now engage in cycle trade with this coin, which is good because it has been going down 1, 2, 3 days. And before you even enter it, this is another very good important point. Before you even enter, you must get a confirmation green candle here. You just don't enter. This red candle that is last, you must get a confirmation green candle here, and here is already down. You must get a confirmation green candle that so that's the sign that will make me to enter. So you don't just engage in cycle trade anyhow, or else you just see that it will take days for your coin. The coin will now be going down further. So before you enter, you must, number one, first look for a downward trend, which we have seen, and it must first get a it must well confirm that this coin is on a downward trend in the daily chart to like maybe 50% FIB level. Number one. Number two, the graph on the RSI must be pointing down, must be below this last green line, that is showing that this coin has been oversold for days. Then you must get a confirmation green candle. The moment those two, 1, 2, 3 criteria has been fulfilled, then you can, and also set a selling price as I showed us on RoyalQ. Then you can engage in these are for people that have big capital and then they want to wait for long term. So that's the way you can do the setting for that. I think I've already dealt with that because I don't want us to be too long on this call tonight. So the next thing I want to show us is the forecast for this week. So for us to get the forecast, we need to go and check Bitcoin. That where is Bitcoin heading to? Where is Bitcoin heading to this week? Okay, that's a good sign. So Bitcoin is in the next 5 hours. I expect Bitcoin, but you can see that in the 1-day chart, so this is a good sign that this week we should be expecting some movement up this week. You can see that it's already at the oversold region, and it has given us a green confirmation candle. So we should expect that Bitcoin should touch. It should be able to it should be able to touch this 37. It will reach 37,000, and if you can break this 37,097 price, we should be expecting the next level here, 38.5. So if I go and check at the back, that has it reached that price before? So if you can break this 37,972, if it touches it, we should expect at least 38,000 this week. And if you can touch 38.5, a lot of coins is going to move up this week. So this week is going to be very good for us. With this, I'm saying in the daily chart, I'm expecting Bitcoin to move up throughout this week. So the last thing I want to talk about is our new RoyalQ team and partner building challenge. And this night uh the RQTMI is going to do a presentation on building team, and we have an incentive. So for some of us that have seen that, I think I sent it to the group. For any one of us, we have an incentive that's going on between now till December 30. Okay, this is it. 60 days challenge that has started since 1st of November and is ending next month. It's ending next month ending. So if you can activate 5 people between now and 24th of December, you'll be getting a Christmas hamper. If you can sign up 20 people, 10 people between now and December 24th, you should be getting a Christmas hamper too and a cash reward. And if you can register 20 people before December 30 and move to video rank, you're going to get an $100 cash reward. This is just apart from the normal bonus you'll be getting from RoyalQ the moment you activate. Because the moment you register somebody, RoyalQ will pay you. And I'm not taking it slow like some of us take it slow, that we're just depending on our trades. I'm doing a massive advert. Are you not seeing it? I'm doing a massive advert. Are you not seeing this international number? This is Ghana. I think this is Ghana. I'm doing a Facebook advert where I'm targeting Ghana, Kenya, Cameroon, Uganda, South Africa, I think India too. I'm targeting like 8 countries because I want to really take this RoyalQ serious. If you go and check my chat, you'll see people chatting. I saw your advert on Facebook. I want to know more about the platform because I don't want to take this RoyalQ. I ain't seen it from. I think this is Nigeria. I'm not taking it with levity because we're already entering the bull run by next year. I know people that started RoyalQ in 2021, and if you go and check their revenue daily, I have a big dream in RoyalQ because I've been taking it too slow. Let me just show you the advert I'm even running so that you can see how serious I'm taking this RoyalQ. Let me just show you. Some of us are just focused on our trading. I'm not just focused on trading. No. At least I have a level of understanding of how to trade or how to analyze. I'm going beyond that. Let me just show you my advert. Let me show you my advert. And I told myself, I have a skill in advertising. So why will I just sit down and be seeing people making $100 daily on rewards? This is the advert I'm running. I can see this is the advert, and I see people already spamming my group, my advert to let me do this thing. That's how they behave. When they see advert is converting very well, just be posting nonsense. Just be posting nonsense. I'm not taking it slow at all. So when someone over say, my trade is taking time to go, I don't, because I know my money is safe. If I click learn more, that's how they go to my site. You see, I took my time to develop that site. Attention, discover how to earn in dollars. So they will click get instant access. I want them to read my full content first. So when they read my full content, I want them to they digest the content very well. I explain RoyalQ to them. I tell who I am. So after they've gotten the idea of what they want to do, then I put a button where they'll come and chat me on WhatsApp. So I'm taking RoyalQ. So my target is that between now and December, I want to have like 200 interested members so that I can rank. I can't wait. So if I'm telling us that we should share the opportunity, apart from this, I'm paying money to this advert. I'm even sharing it on my WhatsApp status, on my Facebook, because I'm so confident of the RoyalQ business. I'm so confident of it. So that's just that about our presentation this evening. So let me just give room for question. So if you have any question, come in. Where's my Zoom? If you have any question, just raise up your hand. And I want some of us that have been long in this RoyalQ to come and share your experience. So where's my okay? So if you have any question concerning your trade or anything, just raise up your hand, and we will know who will take this RoyalQ serious. We will know who will make a lot of money in this RoyalQ. I'm already seeing them. Out of almost 59 people that we have in the group, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people are on the call tonight. No, so if you have any question, I have one lady in my team. I send her near trade. The near me said that I even send her that near. I help her to go and analyze, and I send her that near. She didn't even know when the coin even delivered. Me, I've already know that the coin delivered for like 2, 3 days. She just left the trade. I was now the one that is now chatting her personally. After like she joined me last year for a whole year, and she didn't take the RoyalQ serious. And now comes I come back again. Now I am now giving her one-on-one chats, one-on-one follow-up, and she's taking the business with so much levity. Everybody is very busy. I'm very, very busy as I am. When I even came out from church, I was so tired. I was having serious headache. But because I've already said that I must talk to our team member, I still make sure I come on board. I'll be doing training every on Sundays, on Mondays, on Tuesdays, on Fridays. Almost every week now I'll be doing training. It's what you give more time will give you good result that you want. So if you have any question, let us just ask our question so that I can attend to it. Okay, I have a question. Okay, unmute and speak out. Let me stop.
Good evening.
Hello.